Hello guys, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam. In this video we want to talk about the error code on washing machines from Samsung. The code is 9C8 and I found a really interesting article on this website and a good solution. It really helped me out. So I thought let's make a video about this. So why I am getting this code? That's the question I also had. In the middle of spinning, it started sounding and it had the code. I've already done an update about the fire recall. What now? So this was the best answer also for me. It's a software update issue. Press and hold the start button to clear the error code. Then hold the smart control button for 3 seconds and then the temperature button for 7 seconds. Then turn the machine off and back on. And when I did that, the error code disappeared and I was very happy. So try the same. It may help out. If you have any further questions about this topic, please let me know down below in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.